Introduction of automatic baseplate welding and door cutting machine. Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tool Manufacturing Company Limited specializes in producing complete processing equipment for road lighting with Tewei brand. Main products are street light pole complete equipment, monitoring pole complete equipment, electric pole complete equipment, 5G communication pole complete equipment. Founded in 1993, Tewei is a high-tech enterprise and a well-known trademark in Yangzhou City. Tewei has provided a large number of production equipments to China and many other countries over the past 20 years. It has been well received by clients around the world. Recently, Tewei has developed an automatic baseplate welding and door cutting machine, which is mainly used for automatic baseplate welding for streetlight pole, monitoring pole, communication pole, and electric pole tower. In automatic door cutting, this machine can help to improve production efficiency with fewer operators and improve welding quality. It is exactly what is currently needed machine on the market. The welding system of the automatic baseplate welding and door cutting machine adopts Japanese Fanuc welding robot and Manipulator welding power. Door cutting adopts intersecting line CNC system from Shanghai Jiaotong University and American Hypertherm plasma power. It can weld the baseplate both inside and outside, as well as stiffeners place feeding and welding and door cutting, all completed at one time, which avoid secondary transfer process. It is easy operation. When an operator clamps the baseplate and light pole, robot starts to spot welding on the bottom and side of baseplate, a preliminary fixing pole and baseplate. The robot automatically moves to weld 360 degrees an outside baseplate to make pole and outside baseplate form at one time. After that, robot automatically moves to the inside of the baseplate for 360 degrees welding, so that the baseplate outside and inside welding is completed. After baseplate welding, stiffeners are fitted automatically and robot does spout welding. Not require fitting stiffeners by manual, ensuring stiffeners consistency. The robot welds one side of the stiffener and continue to weld the other side. When all stiffeners welding are completed, robot automatically cleans nozzle to prepare for next welding. After welding process completed, the automatic plasma for door cutting is started. It can cut various door shapes, achieving baseplate welding and door cutting completed in one time. Tewei automatic baseplate welding and door cutting machine. Not only available for conical pole, also for polygon pole. Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tool Manufacturing Company Limited provides high-quality services. Welcome to visit our company.